This is Rhynchophorus ferruginous, commonly known as the red palm weevil. It is widely known as the most damaging pest of palm trees in the world. The red palm weevil is native to Southeast Asia. However, since the 1980s, this species has spread to many locations globally, including most of Eastern Asia, Australia and Oceania, the Middle East, the Mediterranean region, which includes Northern Africa and Southern Europe, Aruba, and even Orange County, California. It is worth noting, though, that the red palm weevil has been declared as completely eradicated from United States soil. The red palm weevil was most likely dispersed to other nations via the international trade of live palm trees. The organisms would travel as eggs, larvae, or pupae inside the palms and grow into adults in a new location. Once fully mature, the beetles would abandon their original host plant and infect a new organism in order to reproduce. Another potential means of dispersal is their surprisingly strong wings. Adult red palm weevils can travel several kilometers in a period of 3 to 5 days. When selecting a new host, the weevils are usually attracted to unhealthy or frail palms. However, they are also known to attack healthy palms. The reason these organisms are so destructive is that they feed on the apical meristem, commonly known as the point of growth of the tree, eliminating the tree's ability to develop. This activity leads to massive structural damage and eventual death of the palm tree. Male and female red palm weevils have a long, slender rostrum, commonly referred to as a snout. The female's snout is slightly more pronounced, and she uses it to penetrate the palm tree, thus creating a gash to deposit her eggs into. Another unique characteristic of the red palm weevil is its variability in coloration. There are several major color variants of this organism, which led scientists to believe that each color palette belonged to a different species. This insect is considered holometabolous, which means it undergoes complete metamorphosis. Each stage of this organism's life causes a different issue for the host palm. The adults, as previously stated, will create gashes in the palm both when laying eggs and emerging from their pupal form. The larvae will feed on the soft tissues of the palm, creating frass-filled mines in their wake as they rapidly mature towards adulthood. Finally, the pupae create their cocoon out of damaged palm fibers, thus making a swelling in the tree externally. This cocoon will last for 3 to 4 weeks as the organism develops into a full-fledged adult. It is necessary to control the growth of the red palm weevil because if left unchecked, this insect could continue to infect and destroy populations of palm trees across the earth. Controlling the growth of the red palm weevil has proven to be quite the challenge. Insecticides are the most common method and are recognized to be an effective tool. Insecticides come in a variety of forms, including dust, liquid sprays, trunk injections, and soil applications. However, these chemicals could pose a threat to helpful insects, as well as contribute to environmental pollution. Another theoretical way to control the red palm weevil is by chipping, burning, or burying damaged parts of palm trees to kill the weevils inside, but this method is tedious and ineffective at best. The most effective method found to contain and eliminate the red palm weevil is through the use of mass trapping. This is the method used to eradicate the red palm weevil population in Orange County, California. In this instance, aggregation pheromones are loaded into bucket traps, along with palm material and granular pesticides. The adults fly into the buckets for the pheromones and palms and end up dead via pesticides. Biological controls for both adults and larvae have been attempted to control populations, but are ineffective in a field setting. One final potential means of control is allowing the palm trees to adapt natural resistances to red palm weevils, but it could take too much time for evolution to run its course, and the desired adaptations are not guaranteed to develop. If the red palm weevil is not controlled, it will continue to spread, and its reign of tyranny will extend to palms worldwide. The time to take action is now.